Contractors push expensive labels, claiming they are the only way to survive winter without draining your savings. Out in the field, I see homeowners buy the name on the box instead of looking at the engineering underneath. I am the HVAC repair guy. As a former Navy nuclear electrical operator with 17 years of field experience, I translate technical data into direct choices. Today, we are cutting the marketing and pitting the AirEase A7CP21V against the Goodman GSZV9. Both feature heavy-gauge louvered steel panels wrapping completely around the outdoor coil. This stamp design gives maximum physical protection against hail and flying debris while keeping airflow open. It completely outclasses flimsy wire guards that leave delicate parts exposed. When it comes to winter performance, focus entirely on the HSPF2 metric. The AirEase A7CP21V pushes an HSPF2 rating of 10.0. The Goodman GSZV9 lands lower at an 8.2 HSPF2. In deep winter, that gap means a noticeable difference on your monthly utility bill. The AirEase will not rely nearly as heavily on expensive auxiliary electric heat strips to maintain your thermostat set point. Both systems utilize premium full variable speed inverter compressors paired with variable speed condenser fan motors. Traditional single-stage units only have one gear full blast. These two variable capacity setups read your indoor load precisely and adjust output incrementally. They run continuously at lower ultra-quiet speeds to match your home's exact heat loss. This eliminates temperature swings and stabilizes humidity. The AirEase inverter platform is engineered to squeeze significantly more heating output per watt, giving it the efficiency edge. AirEase operates as an independent subsidiary under Lennox International, positioned as a premium alternative with select distribution. Goodman is the high-volume value brand under Dakin Industries, focusing on massive production and shared platforms to keep costs low. On average, an AirEase changeout commands an equipment cost of $4,430 with a total installed price of $11,473. The Goodman averages an equipment cost of $4,113 with a total installed price coming in at $9,040. You are looking at a real-world premium of over $2,400 for the AirEase label. To justify that larger check, the utility savings from the AirEase have to pay you back before the equipment reaches its end of life. Neither system survives a decade without basic maintenance. If you let the outdoor coil pack with dirt and grass clippings, the compressor works twice as hard and can fail. The same thing happens indoors when cheap filters plug up with dust-choking airflow and freezing your coil solid. Clean your coils every spring and swap filters regularly. If a major component goes down, your last line of defense is the warranty. AirEase brings a standard 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty with 0 unit replacement coverage. Goodman counters with a 10-year parts warranty, a full lifetime compressor warranty, and a 10-year full unit replacement promise. If that compressor fails within the first decade, Goodman ships a brand new outdoor condenser instead of repairing the old unit. Both are proudly assembled in the USA, but the security blanket on the value option is undeniably stronger. Winner Goodman. The Goodman GSZV9 provides the same premium variable speed continuous run comfort tech at a substantially lower upfront installation cost. Saving over $2,400 upfront easily offsets the lower 8.2 HSPF2 rating because it would take a very long time to recoup that price delta. Goodman dominates the risk column by offering an unmatched lifetime compressor warranty and a 10-year full unit replacement promise. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.